Let's talk money. It's so fun. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, one by one. Each one's different. Watch and see. Count them up. Come sing with me. A penny is one. It's tiny and round. A nickel is five. It's big and round. A dime is 10. So small and bright. A quarter is 25. That's right. Clap, clap. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Money, money, we'll learn more. Penny is made of copper, wow. A nickel is silver, smooth somehow. A dime is light and goes so thin. A quarter's got an eagle look again.
Let's count some pennies. 1, 2, 3. Trade 5 for a nickel, easy as can be. Got 10 dimes, make a dollar. Cha-ching, hooray! Saving up our money is a smart, smart way.
Penny is one, it's tiny and brown. A nickel is 5, it's big and round. A dime is 10, so small and bright. A quarter is 25, that's right. Clap, clap, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Money, money, we learn more. Is made of copper, wow. A nickel is silver, smooth somehow. A dime is light and goes so thin. A quarter's got an eagle look again.
Let's count some pennies. 1, 2, 3. Trade 5 for a nickel, easy as can be. Now 10 dimes, make a dollar. Cha-ching, hooray! Saving up our money is a smart, smart way.
A penny is one. Let's count me as one. A penny is one. It's tiny as one. A nickel is 5. It's big and round. And brown. A nickel is 5, it's big and round. A dime is 10, so small and bright. A quarter is 25, that's right. Clap, clap, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Money, money, we learn.